Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to enable light mode on Windows. Light mode provides a clean and classic look to your Windows interface, perfect for well-lit environments and refreshing change from dark mode. First step is simple. All you have to do is to right-click on any empty space on your desktop. A context menu will appear, and then from the context menu, click on the Personalize. And then we just have to locate the colors in the left sidebar. Now, scroll down to the Choose Your Color section, and under Choose Your Default App Mode, select Light. The changes will take effect instantly and your Windows interface will switch to light mode. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to enable light mode on Windows. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to enable light mode on Windows. I'll see you on my next video.